Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Lotus Lantern LED lights. If your LED lights are not working properly, freezing, or not changing colors the way you want, a reset can usually fix the problem. The first step is to reset the power connection. Go to the power adapter of your LED strip and unplug it from the wall socket. After unplugging it, wait for about 30 seconds. This short pause is important because it allows the system to fully shut down and clear any temporary errors. After 30 seconds, plug the adapter back into the wall. Your lights will turn on again, and this means the basic reset is complete. If you also want to reset everything inside the app, open the Lotus Lantern app on your phone. Wait for the app to load and show your connected device. Then go to the menu section and find your LED light device name. Tap on the device and look for the Connect or Pair icon. Choose the option to unpair the device. This will remove the current connection and bring the settings back to default inside the app. Once unpaired, you can pair the device again using the app. After reconnecting, you can set up your LED lights from scratch, including colors, brightness, and lighting effects according to your preference. Thanks for watching.